So let's take a look here. Now we've logged into the cPanel on our Paleo News site, and what we're going to do is we're going to just slide down here and go to File Manager, or if it's harder to find, you can just type in the word File. That's fine. We're just going to go to the root directory, and we're going to see how this whole thing is set up, right? So what we're looking for is this AM folder. So what I've done is I've created a folder and I've put my images and everything in here. So let's got a couple different things. So I've got some files. Let me just download these so we can take a look at them. Alright, this is one messing around with an advertisement that is really, this would send them back to the homepage, which was talking about getting a recipe book. And it's really meant to just kind of stand out and go, whoa, big ugly blue border, red text, white background, lots of white space, and it contrasts against this, this image of some paleo food. Alright, so that's one thing. This here was another one I was testing out, but what it essentially is the dimensions is what I was using it. So this was using the an image just to hold it. So what we have here is action message 1, action message 2. So on the first one, we can go here to the HTML editor. We'll edit it. We'll also put this code below. If we just look at the source, essentially all we're doing is linking to the Paleo Recipes, which is a redirect link. We're giving it and there's our source, which is where that file is. It's in our WP Content Uploads Paleo Recipe Book, right? Let's look at action message 2. So in this case, what we've done, all this is the same. Now, the href here is it's going to the main site. So what you could do is you could do this, thepaleonews.com, and it would just redirect there. So, and then the source, here's where that that file is. Again, no border, and that image is basically getting pulled forward. So let's look here. So we have action message 1, action message 2. And I'll show you how easy it is to just change this, right? So we're at the Seth Godin plugin again. We're just going to change this, hit Save Settings, refresh our screen, and bam. And you'll see that this thing's not sized right? You can see that it's cutting off here, so we'd need to go do a little tweaking. But essentially what it does then is takes me through to the main site. That's all there is to it. So now what I can do is I can change out these messages anytime I want. We can go in and redesign it. We can change the call to action. We could even put an opt-in form right up here and do whatever we want. So you got to figure out what it is that's going to work for your market. So it takes some time. Don't expect to just put up a link and people buy like crazy. The smart thing to do would be to take this and put it back to the main site, which is then pre-selling you on why you should get this cookbook, and selling the click, and then selling the next click into the ClickBank product in this case. If you wanted to, if your market is good for list building, which not all markets are, right? I've heard Justin Brook talk about doing interviews with Magic the Gathering people, and those people just would not buy anything. They just were not going to spend any money. So doing list building was kind of a waste of time because they were completely non-responsive to that. So take a look at that. Go in there, edit different things. Try, edit the sizes. Make sure the image fits. There's plenty of tutorials on YouTube on using GIMP or Photoshop or whatever your tools you have to create images like this. And like I said, once you've got this information, you're just going to change the source, change the link that it's going to, and you'll be in business.